Imagine opening up your laptop and instantly finding local businesses that are practically begging for your help and knowing the exact 30-second process to be able to reach out to them and land them as a client, all by leveraging AI and Google Maps. If you've been bouncing from side hustle to side hustle, putting in the work, putting in the effort, but not getting the results you were hoping for, this video is for you. Most people are not lacking motivation. They're just missing a clear step-by-step system that they can see all the way from start to finish. And what I'm about to show you, it's 100% beginner friendly. You don't need a marketing background. You don't need any crazy tech skills. You don't have to build a personal brand or post every single day on TikTok. All you really need is a laptop and the willingness to follow the exact step-by-step process I'm about to walk you through. Now, I want to be upfront with you. There are no guarantees here. Your results are going to depend on your own effort, but hundreds of complete beginners have walked through this exact business model. And the reason it works every single time is because every single local business in every single city already has this problem. So everything I'm sharing in this video, it's accessible and it's based on real world experience. And real quick, before I jump in, I'm not making this video to sell some $1,000 course on you. That's not how I make my money. In fact, if you want my full step-by-step course, all the templates, all the outreach scripts, plus a one-on-one kickoff call and a live bootcamp to get this whole business launched, which by the way is something most gurus would charge about $1,000 or more for, all you've got to do is smash the like button, drop a comment below, and consider sharing this video with a friend who you think might find it valuable. Do that, and I'll hook you up with a private link to unlock everything I just told you. It's 100% free. All right, so now let me jump on my computer and show you exactly how this works. The entire business model runs on two things: Google Maps plus AI. That's it. Google Maps is where we find the clients, and AI does almost 100% of the fulfillment. And this works whether you're in the US, in Canada, Australia, Brazil, doesn't matter. Because every single city has local businesses that need what we're about to build. So step one is we find a potential client. So to do that, we're going to come right up here to the Google Maps search bar and type in any small local business in any city. So for this example, I'm going to type in plumber in Bentonville, Arkansas. Now here's where most beginners mess up. They look at the top 3 results and think, great, I'll pitch these guys first. Guys, that's wrong. Do not do that. You're wasting your time. These businesses at the top, they already feel like Google is feeding them free business. They don't need you. What we're looking for is what I call a money client. So we're going to scroll down a little bit and search for our money client. What we're looking for is someone who either doesn't have a website or has a website that looks like it was built in like 2002. Those are the businesses that will say yes to us in about 15 seconds flat. Okay, I'm looking for a business like these guys, for example, Jerry's Plumbing. So scroll down and yep, no website, no pictures, have 7 5-star reviews. So it sounds like they do a good job, but they have no online presence whatsoever. So this is an example of a money client. This is exactly who we're going to reach out to. Now, here's where AI does all of the heavy lifting and all of the fulfillment. So I've got this simple copy and paste prompt here saved on my computer. It says make a unique professionally designed plumber website for this business, and pull in all the info from Google My Business listing to use on this website. So what I do is I grab the Google Maps share. I'm going to copy this link right here, and I'm going to paste it right after the prompt. And I'm going to copy this entire thing, and I'm going to paste it into this AI automation software. This is what I use to run my entire business. The cool thing is this software, it's completely white label, meaning you can put your own logo on it, connect your own domain, and charge whatever you want. Keep 100% of every single dollar. So I'm going to hit enter, and in about 60 seconds, the AI pulls all the reviews, contact info, hours, photos, address, everything, and automatically builds a full professionally designed website without you having to have any design skills and know how to code anything whatsoever. Now, real quick, while this is finishing up in the background, if you want to go and grab this exact AI software that I use to run my entire business, I've got an extended 30-day free trial for you down in the description and in the top pinned comment. When you grab the trial through my link, you're also getting all of my courses, every template, and every outreach script that I've built over the last year. You'll get access to our live community of other people running this exact same business model, weekly live Q&A calls. I don't think anybody else is doing this, but a one-on-one kickoff call where we help you get everything set up, plus a free live bootcamp to walk you through the first 30 days of getting your business set up. No long-term contracts. You can cancel at any time. So that first 30 days, it's completely risk-free. The link's in the description and also in the top pinned comment. Okay, the website just finished. Let me pull it up so you can see it. Look at that. Professional clean, looks great. Has their address, their email, hours, phone number. Out of the 7 reviews, they have 3 of them here. The types of services that they offer, photos, pictures. Now, what we do is we reach out to Jerry, and inside the free community, we give you the exact copy and paste outreach scripts to be able to reach out to him. But it's basically something like, hey Jerry, I was looking you up on Google and noticed you didn't have a website. So I went ahead and I built one for you. Want me to send it over? 9 times out of 10, they say yes. Now, you might be thinking, Noah, if I'm giving the website away for free, how the heck am I supposed to make money? This is the part that most people miss. The free website is just you getting your foot in the door. Once Jerry says, I want it, we add 3 more things on top of that website that each take less than 5 minutes to set up, but give him so much ongoing value that he'll happily pay you $300 to $500 per month. And 90% of the fulfillment is handled by AI. So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add a chat widget. So go back to the AI software. We're going to type in just simple, add a chat widget. Cool, it's done. So what we want to do is want to come over here. Obviously you can see it. You go back to the website, to the preview, and we've got it down here, fully functioning. Now, if someone were to come onto this website and ask this AI chat widget questions about their business, chances are it's probably not going to be able to have a full conversation, be able to answer the questions adequately according to Jerry's plumbing business. So what we want to go ahead and do is create an AI agent and give it knowledge so that it can answer any question based on Jerry's plumbing business. So I'm going to go back to my prompts here, and I created another prompt just saved here on my computer. We're going to copy this guy and go back to the software and just paste him in right here. And then what you're going to want to go do is go back to Jerry's Plumbing Google Business Profile, copy his link to the clipboard, and we're just going to copy and paste this and go ahead and hit enter. Now, when somebody lands on Jerry's website at 11 p.m. at night with a burst pipe, the AI answers their questions, books the appointment on Jerry's calendar, and Jerry wakes up Monday morning with brand new booked jobs. He doesn't have to hire anyone extra, doesn't have to answer the phone. That alone is worth $300 a month to him. So here's the last thing. Inside the same exact software, we can set up AI automated review requests. So after Jerry finishes a job, an email and text message automatically go out to that customer asking for a 5-star review. More reviews means higher Google ranking for Jerry, meaning more phone calls and more money for Jerry. We've had clients with literally 5 to 10 reviews who within a 6 to 12 month period are having hundreds of Google reviews. So to set up your AI review software, what you're going to do is you're going to want to come down here, hit reputation. It's as simple as connect to your Google business profile, hit go. What it's going to do is it's going to walk you through exactly how to set up your reviews. Obviously, this is a demo account, and so I don't have a Google business profile set up here. And then you're going to set up your review link, your review widget, and connect more platforms if you want to. And on top of that, there's a Google Business Profile Optimization Wizard built right into the software. Jerry connects his account once, and the wizard walks him through every single thing that's missing. So photos, descriptions, categories, hours, and fixes it in minutes. So Google sees the activity, bumps his ranking, and now Jerry's showing up at the top of the map when somebody in Bentonville searches up plumbing near me. So to recap, we find a business on Google Maps that doesn't have a website. We use AI to build one for free. We use that website as a Trojan horse to be able to add a chat widget, an AI booking agent, review automation, and Google Business Profile Optimization. And we charge that business $300 to $500 per month, meaning if you get 10 clients, that's $3,000 to $5,000 in recurring revenue every single month. Now, if you get 20 clients, just do the math. So if you actually want to go and do this, here's what to do right now. Smash the like button, drop a comment down below telling me you're in, and I'll send you the private link to my full step-by-step course, all the templates, all the outreach scripts, the community, the weekly live calls, all 100% free. And if you want the extended 30-day free trial of the AI software that I just showed you, plus the one-on-one kickoff call and the free live bootcamp, the link is down in the description and in the top pinned comment. No contracts, no commitment. You can cancel anytime. So go get started, and I'll see you inside my community.